पुरुष सूक्तम। ओम तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं सन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे सञ्चतुष्पदे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। ओम सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपात् स भूमि विश्वतो वरत्वा अत्यतिष्ठद्दशांगुलम्। I will suggest you, I will upload it in YouTube, and I have kept only my screen. Please see the fingering movement. It will help you to chant correctly with the Vedic intonation. Okay. Otherwise, in first step of your learning, it is difficult. I know. Otherwise, you have to do like that. I have experiences. That is why I'm telling. So please move your, when there is underline, you should put your thumb down. And whenever there is above one vertical line, you should up your index finger. It will help you. You will find it when you will practice how effective it is. Okay, I'm chanting from the first, and you, not now, you will see my finger movement when you will practice it through YouTube channel. Okay. Oh, are you ready? Just a moment. तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं सन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे सञ्चतुष्पदे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Harihi Om. You will find I am closing my eyes, yet I can doing this. If you practice it, all the intonation will come into your mind. Believe me, it's so easy. It is so easy. Om Sahasrashirsha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sabhumi Vishwato Vratva Atyatishthadashangulam Purusha Evedagum Sarvam Yat Bhutan Yatcha Bhavyam Utamritatva Seshanaha Yadannenatirohati Etavanasya Mahima Atodhyaya Gascha Purushaha Pado Osya Vishwa Bhutani Tripadasya Divi Tripad Urdhvam Udait Purushaha Pado Osyeha Bhavat Punaha Tato Vishwam Yakramata Sashanana Shani Abhi Tasmaad Viradajayata Virajo Adhipurushaha Sajato Atyarichyata Paschad Bhumimatho Puraha. Clear? Okay. From third mantra. Yat Purushena Havisha. Yat Purushena Havisha. On above Havisha, above Sha, there is two lines. So it will be prolonged and it will be in higher pitch. Yat Purushena Havisha. So you will give a small pause. Havisha. Clear? But it should be very quick. Yat Purushena Havisha. Deva Yajnamatanvata. Deva Yajnamatanvata. Vasanto Asya Sidajyam. Vasanto Asya Sidajyam. Grishma idmasarathavihi. Grishma idmasarathavihi. Grishma idmasarathavihi. Saptasyasan paridhayaha. Saptasyasan paridhayaha. Trisapta samidhah kritaha. Trisapta samidhah kritaha. Those who are new, for them I'm telling, if there is visarga and after visarga like trihi, three visarga, don't chant tri. It is absolutely wrong. If after visarga there is sakara, means Saraswati sakara, then visarga's pronunciation will be Saraswati sakara, means dantasa. If it was talavya, means Shiva shakara, then visarga's pronunciation would be Shiva shakara. Then if it was Shanmukha shakara, then visarga's pronunciation will follow the same thing. Here, tris sapta, clear? Because after visarga, dantasa or Saraswati sakara is there. Then samidha, there is also visarga, and after that ka is there. So if before ka there is visarga, then visarga's pronunciation will be like ka. This is called Jihva Mulya, but it's not exactly ka, like ka. It's ka. It's like something is stuck in my throat, and if I want to throw it out, how the sound comes, that is the sound of the visarga if it follows ka. Trisapta samidhah kritaha. Trisapta samidhah kritaha. Clear? I think there should not be any doubt after that. Devayad agnyang. Devayad agnyantanvanaha. Devayad agnyantanvanaha tanvanaha. Devayad agnyantanvanaha. Avadhnan purusham pashum. Avadhnan purusham pashum. Avadhnan purusham pashum. Tai. Tai, why not tam? Tam is correct. But according to Krishna Yajurveda, after Anushwara, if there is ya, then Anuswara's pronunciation will be like yang, yang, yang. Okay. Tai yagnam, tai yagnam, varhishi, praukshanna, praukshanna. This is the style. Okay. Tai yagnam, varhishi, praukshanna, purushan, purushan jatamagrataha, purushan jatamagrataha. Clear? First we will chant. So how we will chant? We will chant first line, then first line plus second line, then first line, second line, third line, then first line, second line, third line, fourth line. In this way we will learn. Okay. Yat purushena havisha a, yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata, yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha trisapta samidhah kritaha. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha trisapta samidhah kritaha deva yadagnam deva yadyagnam tanvanaha. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha trisapta samidhah kritaha deva yadyagnyam tanvanaha avadhan purusham pashum. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha trisapta samidhah kritaha deva yagnam tanvana avadnan purusham pashum tan yagnam varhishi praukshanna. Yat purushena havisha a deva yagnamatanvata vasanto asya sidajyam. Greshma idma sharadhavihi saptasyasan paridhayaha trisapta samidhah kritaha deva yadagnam tanvanaha avadhan purusham pashum tan yagnam varhishi praukshanna purusham jatamagrataha. Clear? See, after that class, you no need to practice also, because in the class, I make all of you practice for your better learning. Up to that much I can do for you. Because I feel, you are all little children in the kindergarten school who has no time for studying at home. You will be busy with the play of samsara. Because little children also, do some cooking, false cooking and everything else. So all of you also are engaged in playing in samsara, which is actually Maya. So in study time, solid study we will do, we will practice. That is why our learning process is little bit slower, but solid, I believe. Okay, so together twice we will chant this. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. And I want to see Usha Sroff Amma, Sarla More Amma, Alka Agarwal Amma, and Sarla Ruya Amma. Okay. Om Yat Purushena Havisha Deva Yajnamatanvata Vasanto Asya Sidajyam Greshma Idma Sharadhavihi Saptasyasan Paridhayaha Trisapta Samidha Kritaha Deva Yadajnam Tanvanaha Avadnan Purusham Pashum Tan Yagnam Arhi Shiprokshanna Purusham Jatamagrataha. Anyone has any doubt? Everyone is clear? Thank you. Now, fourth one. Oh, Suchitramma. Yes, wait. Yes, Suchitramma, unmute yourself.
Swamiji, tam yagnam barishi.
Oh, Barhishi.
Barhishi.
She. Shanmukha Shakara. Yes, Pramilamma, I will come to you. Pramilamma, I will come to you. Prauksan, it is Prauksan. But as it is the last word and Halanta, it will be twice chanted. You will minutely listen. Prauksanna, Prauksanna. Clear?
Barhishi, Prauksan.
Clear? You should chant it at your everyday puja. Whenever you will do Shiva puja, you should chant Purusha Suktam. You sit with the book and chant. I told you, in 1 month, you no need any book. Without book, all with intonation, you can be able to chant. Please believe in your Acharya. I learned in that way. Yes, Pramilamma, unmute yourself and tell what is your problem. Yes.
No, Swamiji, I was asking this Prochanna only, which is why it is written Prochan and why we are pronouncing it as Prochanna.
Now clear, na?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now fourth mantra. Tena deva ayajanta. Tena deva ayajanta. Sadhya rishayascha me. Sadhya rishayascha ye. तेन देवा अयजन्त तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. Once more, very easy, take it easy. तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. Clear? तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. Yes. संभृतं पृषदाज्यं संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान. Here, Pramila Amma, it will be only one na. Why don't ask me? Tradition chants like that. Pashugastagas-chakre vayavyana.
स्वामी जी एक मिनट, स्वामी जी एक मिनट, स्वामी जी एक मिनट. स्वामी जी, ये जो न का प्रॉब्लम है, ये पशुगस्तानक्रे व्यायाव्यान, तो ये नॉर्मल जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं वैसे ही आ जाए, जैसे ना अर्जुन जैसे हो जाता है अर्जुन उवाच, वैसे ही न आएगा ना इसमें.
नो नो नो,
अर्जुन उवाच.
अर्जुन उवाच क्यों आप बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ना पूरा रहता है, इधर आधा ना हलंत मतलब आधान्य ना. ठीक है ना?
तो जब हम न करते हैं तो न
जैसे पद्मा, द आधा, मा पूरा. क्लियर ना? तो हियर ना का कैसे होगा? द ओनली आंसर इज you have to listen to your acharya. That is why Vedic, any mantra is not prescribed study alone. You always sit under a teacher. He will chant, you will listen to it, and you will chant. Okay, clear? That is why I told why it is not, I don't know. In tradition, I have listened. You will also follow this one because you are under the tradition. Aranyan gramyaschaye. Aranyan gramyaschaye. तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. Richus, because visarga is there and then sa is there. So richus samani yagnire. Richus samani yagnire. Then another question you will ask. Before that, I am telling. The next is, it is written Chanda Gangsi, but pronunciation will be Gumsi. Clear? This is Krishna Yajurvediya style. Don't ask me why. Chanda Gumsi Yagnire Tasmaat. If you can't remember, please write it. Gum. Gu and Anushwara. Chanda gumsi yagnire tasmaat yajustasmadajayata yajustasmadajayata. Clear? I will listen from you, all of you, not today. And don't chant like this, tasmad ajnad sarvahutaha richaha samani jagnire, because all of yours mother tongue is Hindi. At least 99.99% present over here. So you can easily chant. So why I am giving my all efforts as you chant with the proper Vedic intonation that you have come to learn, not reading the Sanskrit script, because it is your own mother tongue. There is no credit to chant it. You have to grasp the tune, the proper intonation. That is why we are putting forth so much effort. Okay, fourth mantra. Too much hot over here. Fourth one. Tena deva ayajanta. Tena deva ayajanta. Sadhya rishayaschaye. Sadhya rishayaschaye. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Samvritam prishadajyam. Samvritam prishadajyam. Samvritam prishadajyam. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Samvritam prishadajyam. Pashugastagas-chakre vayavyana. Pashugastagas-chakre vayavyana. From first. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Samvritam prishadajyam. Pashugastagas-chakre vayavyana. Aranyan gramyaschaye. Aranyan gramyaschaye. Aranyan gramyaschaye. From first. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Samvritam prishadajyam. Pashugastagas-chakre vayavyana. Aranyan gramyaschaye. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. Tasmaat yajnat sarvahutaha. From first. Tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः. Clear? ऋचः सामानि यज्ञिरे ऋचः सामानि यज्ञिरे तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि यज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि यज्ञिरे तस्मात् छन्दागुंसि यज्ञिरे तस्मात्. From the first, तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि यज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि यज्ञिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत यजुस्तस्मादजायत. From the first, तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि यज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि यज्ञिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत. So it's clear for all of you. Pramila, it's okay, and it's my request to all of you, you please spread this class link. I know you do. Pramila Amma, Raksha Amma, Suchitra Amma, our Sandhya, Nikita, and all other do. So lot of people can learn together. We can. Okay. Yes, Sandhya ji or Nikita ji, what the problem you are having?
Hari Om Swami ji.
Yes.
In this line, Pashu Gasta Gaschakre. The ma is silent over here.
Pashu Gasta Gaschakre. Yes, yes.
There is a dot on top.
Yes, yes. Whatever I am chanting, it is the actual traditional chanting. Means why it is not gum like, don't ask me. It's thousand years tradition.
Okay,
it is traditionally going on. Pashugastagashakre vayavyana. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Is it clear for everyone else?
स्वामी जी इसमें तो मां नहीं है, डॉट तो नहीं है इसमें हमारी
ये बोला अम्मा कि हम लोग को टीचर के पास बैठ के सुन के सीखना पड़ता है वैदिक मंत्र. हर जगह यहाँ लॉजिक नहीं चलते, और जो लॉजिक में उन लोग किया है दैट लॉजिक वी डोंट नो. So I will listen to you. Is it okay? Yes.